Good morning, respected viewers, and good morning, respected ones. Hope that you all are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Success with Ma'am Amara. Hope of that you all are good. Hope of that you all are well, and hope of that you enjoy my teaching as well. As you better know that I have discussed with you an important topics of English grammar with the use of English language and with the touch of great motivation for you. Today we are going to discuss about most important topic, the power of mind. Okay. Before to start our today learning, I want to share with you an important quote of Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha Gautama Buddha was born in India in 4th or 5th century. He was an inspirational teacher. He was also the prince, but he left his royal life in search of truth or peace. He want to say that the best way, all that is the result of what we have thought. All that we are is the result of what we have thought. What a beautiful thing he has said. कितना एक खूबसूरत सी, कितना एक सुंदर सी बात उन्होंने कही. वो कहते हैं कि एक इंसान जो है वो अपने विचार की वजह से जाना जाता है. वो कहते हैं कि एक इंसान जो है वो कामयाब है अगर वो एक ख़ूबसूरत से विचार उसके अंदर मौजूद हैं. अगर उसके जो है ना, अगर वो एक सुंदरता अपने विचारों के अंदर रखता है, वो अपने थॉट्स के अंदर एक खूबसूरती रखता है, सिंप्लिसिटी रखता है, वो कहते हैं कि वो इंसान जो है कामयाब है. यानी कितना एक खूबसूरत सी उन्होंने बात की. Means to say that if I want to give you more explanation regarding it, means to say our life, our character, our personality are shaped by our thought. Means to say that you try to understand any person with the help of his thought. If he is good, his thoughts are good. If he is not good, his thoughts are not good. Okay, his thoughts are weak. Okay. कितना एक खूबसूरत सी बात उन्होंने कही कि भाई एक इंसान जो है वो अपने आप को, अपने विचारों को खूबसूरत बना सकता है डिसिप्लिन के ज़रिए, डिटर्मिनेशन के ज़रिए और सिंप्लिसिटी के ज़रिए. और अगर उसके अंदर रेजिलियंस की पावर भी है. इन ये कुछ वेज़ हैं, उन थॉट्स के ज़रिए एक इंसान जो है अपने थॉट्स को खूबसूरत और सुंदर बना सकता है. Okay, let's start our today learning. Today we are going to discuss about the power of mind. Okay, the mind is, let's start it. The mind is like a garden. Okay, कितना एक खूबसूरत सी बात. The mind is like a garden, means to say if your garden is full of many beautiful flowers, means to say that you are really a good person. Okay, if we plant positive thoughts, confidence and determination, we are more likely to grow into successful and happy individuals. What a great thing! What a great thing is shared. That means to say, if you plant positive thinking, if you plant determination, if you plant confidence, we are likely to grow into successful or happy individuals. Okay, कितना एक खूबसूरत सी बात यहाँ पर कही गई. Means to say, if you the mind is like a garden. If you plant positive thoughts, confidence and determination, you are likely to grow into confidence or successful individuals, happy individuals. Okay, if we fill it with fear, doubt, or negativity, our growth can be limited. Okay, means to say that if I want to give you one example means to say here in this lesson I have given you two example. Okay, means to say our mind is like a garden, and if we plant positive thoughts, confidence, and determination in it, in our plant, in our garden, we are more likely to grow into a successful or happy individual. But if we have fear, if we have doubt, if we have negativity in ourselves, we cannot grow. We are not able to grow. Means to say that all these things like that, negativity, fear, and doubt always try to make you a doubtful personality. Okay, not a calmful personality, but a doubtful personality. Okay, some key aspects: we try to be a good one, we try to be a calmful one, we try to be a successful one, and we can become a successful person if we have confidence, if we have determination, if we have positive thinking in ourselves. Okay, okay, some key aspects of the mind's power include some key aspects. Now I'm sharing with you some key aspects which are also very important and make our mind powerful. Okay, first one is focus. Focus is very important. Where means to say, I want to say that this is also an integral part of our mind. Okay, first one is focus. Concentrating on a goal means to say, if we are trying to concentrate our goal, increases productivity and performance. If we are trying to concentrate our goal, produces or increases productivity and performance. Means to say, our productivity will be increased if we are trying to if we try to concentrate on a goal. We try to increase our productivity, and we also increase our performance level as well. Okay, and second one is positive thinking. Means to say, an optimistic mindset can improve resilience and reduce stress. Okay, what a great thing is that an optimistic approach means to say, optimistic means positive thinking. Positive thinking can improve resilience, can improve our confidence, can improve our overcome in front of troubles. Okay, and reduce stress. It also turn us into a optimistic personality, and it also reduces our stress as well. Okay, and third one is visualization. Visualization means that many athletes and successful individual mentally rehearse success before achieving it. Means to say, if you think about that, you try to if you think about that, you are becoming if you think about that, you are becoming a CSS officer, you are becoming IPS IAS officer. If you think about that, then you will become in future IPS officer or IAS officer as well. Okay, means to say, your thinking also give the direction to your future. Okay, many athletes and successful individuals mentally rehearse. Means to say, first he rehearse his success. First he think about that, he become a good person, he become a successful businessman, he think about it and then he achieve it. Okay. And next one is learning and adaptation. This is also a very important thing. The brain can form neural connection throughout life, a capacity known as neuroplasticity. Okay, means to say whenever we try to learn new things, at the time our mind also adopts a new thing, new learning, and this learning is known, this capacity means to say this is also a capacity that we try to learn new things. This is also a human capacity, and this capacity is known as neuroplasticity. Means to say whenever our mind attach neural connection, okay, throughout life a capacity known as neuroplasticity. Clear? And next one is self discipline. Self discipline is also a very important thing. Means to say if you control yourself, you also try to control your emotions as well. We try to understand it. Controlling impulses and maintaining consistent effort helps turn goals into reality. Means to say you have dreams, but if you have dreams, you also need consistency. Means to say this is your consistency that will turn your dreams into reality. Okay. Self discipline is also very important. Means to say if you try to control yourself, you will become a very successful person. Okay. And last one is drive success. Most achievements begin as ideas in the mind before becoming reality. Means to say if you have the idea, if you have an ambition in your life, if you want to be a successful businessman, if you want to be a IPS officer, if you want to be a CSS officer, first you also have a dream. First you need have a dream. Then you will become a successful person. Then you means to say you will if you have a dream, then you will put your effort, you will put your struggle to become a successful person, to turn your dreams into reality. Okay. Hope of that you understand it. Hope of that you understand today lecture. I have one humble request to you that dear viewers, please subscribe my channel and please share my lecture with your good friends. Thank you so much.